Hello and welcome to our channel Atmik Gyan, that means spiritual knowledge or the knowledge of self. Here we are going to discuss the knowledge about ascension. What is spiritual knowledge or a self knowledge? Somebody who doesn't know about the soul and your body, how they are differentiate, and we think as we are living on the planet Earth, and this is what we are, what we eat, what we see, and what is our life. We think that is us. But to understand who you are, you have to ascend through. Ascend through means from one point to another point. Ascension. If you understand about ascension and you who you are is, you can understand on the level of consciousness. Consciousness is different than wisdom. The consciousness and the wisdom is a different thing. Similarly, the ascension, the knowledge of the self is, it does not come through the wisdom. Actually, it comes through the consciousness, level of the consciousness, and your behavior depends on your wisdom, and how you behave in the society or public places, how do you behave, that is your wisdom. But the transformation in the wisdom is done through two things. Either you go to school, colleges, and you get knowledge about the society and environment and everything, and you behave accordingly, that is your wisdom. That is your present wisdom. That is an individual wisdom that can differ from person to person. But the consciousness has two major points, you can say: the lower consciousness and the higher consciousness. The lower consciousness is called the individual consciousness. That is, in Hindi, you call it Vyishta Chetana. The lower consciousness is the higher point of your wisdom. So if you think you are a very wise person, if you think you are a very wise person, even then on the conscious scale, it should be the lower point of higher conscious. So it does not matter how much you are educated or you are not educated. It does not matter on the level of the consciousness. That means, being a person on the planet Earth, we understand our wisdoms and we categorize people on the scale of wisdom. But on the spiritual knowledge, on the level of ascension, we go through the lower consciousness to the higher consciousness. So the knowledge of the self is very important, because this is the area where most of the population of the world is not aware of. Actually, they think their existence, their wisdom, their wealth, their life, their body is what they are actually, and it is not the truth. So if you want to know yourself, if you want to know what is the knowledge of the spirit and how you ascend through your knowledge, your own knowledge, who you are, then you have to know about your conscious level. Yes, there are the conscious levels, and the lower conscious to the higher consciousness we ascend through. And this is the path, this is the internal path. There is nothing outside. When you talk about the consciousness, there is nothing outside, everything is inside. If you really interested in spiritual knowledge, the knowledge of the self, and lot of different points which are difficult to understand, when you read the book you cannot get those points, you cannot correlate it with yourself sometimes. So if you're really interested in those kind of questions, answers, and spiritual path, like and subscribe this channel. Come along and we will talk about these things, and we will try to answer all your questions. My name is Raj Shiv, and I would like you to like and subscribe this channel and ask questions if it is into my knowledge. So first, let us understand the basic requirement and basic thing we are going through, which bus we are picking, and what we will get on this journey, just to let you understand what this channel is all about. So like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this and for self knowledge. Thank you so much. Jai Shri Gurudev.